Hey everyone and welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to remove a credit card on Shopify. So let's just learn. So you need to head over to your settings at the bottom left side of your screen. Once you are there, you will be able to see your settings page open up. We need to head over to our payments. And this is the section where all of your payments are basically managed. You can see you can choose different payment providers. You have supported payment methods. So if you have added any payment method in here, it is going to be listed onto this section with along an option to remove it. So apparently I do not have any option which says that I have added any payment, but if you have any, you can simply head over to your payment section and from there to the payment providers, and you can see the payment method here. You can have the option to remove it. So this is how easy it is. And if you find this video helpful, you can consider subscribing to our channel. It is actually a pretty simple process to remove your payment or credit cards from your Shopify store. So I hope this is going to be helping. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more and see you guys around in the next video.